Hello everyone, so I'm just doing my post analysis from yesterday from this area that I took. Um, oh well, when I woke up, I just took this area out, and because it was playing around this a reference, and I wouldn't have take a trade over here at this area because I wasn't really confident. So I just wait for the next day to do that, and and the part is I didn't want to go further for that, even though I'm feeling it's a buy for now, but now it look like it broke out, so I'm just gonna wait for more like discount to come down right now. But the thing is that my analysis for no post analysis for was today was a yesterday was a win, and I'm grateful for that. And now I'm learning my mistake that not to get in early from this area because the market came very early from this area right now. So I'm waiting for a little bit more discount so I could get their price from there. And then I can see that I still have more big gap from this area. 100% there. Yeah, 10%. Depend how the market is going to move on the AMD, but always just explaining why I am taking out from this area because yesterday, the other day, which is that day, I was holding it, so I just took out from this area, so I don't have to go all the way down from this. And yeah, I went 2016 profit from there, doing well, and yeah, anyway, this is my post analysis for now.